What did you get? What did you get for your birthday?
Can you
What?
go forward? Go, buddy, go.
Carter, make it go. Yeah. Good job. He's like not even sitting on it. He's just walking.
Yeah.
Good job.
Right.
Wow. Oops, careful. Don't crash into the wall.
Nice work. Do you love
Carter, bring it over here. Yay, this is so much fun. Yay. He's having a hard time steering it. We might need to take it in for an alignment check.
Carter, look.
Push it down.
There's a bell.
See?
Whee!
Put your
Whee!
tootsie down here.
Well, no, he
Okay.
needs to propel himself, unless you want to push him. Oh.
Yes, you gotta put one hand here. Yeah, like that. Now you can steer.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, he's ass over elbow.
Using big weights on the back.
Yeah.
You're doing great, Carter.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Ding ding.
Buddy.
Ding ding. Oops, here we come.
I think he weighs too much for this, but it's not coordinated.
Not long enough.
You're in a hole here, buddy. Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
So you gotta sort of do like so to steer it. You understand?
I'm up here.
Yay! Woohoo!
All right, ready?
Yeah, Carter.
Woohoo! Good job, buddy. You are a speed demon.
All right.
Woohoo!
Sorry.
It's okay.
Look at him. Woo!
Woo! Good job, Carter.
Hit the rug. Is that a better speed? This is kind of handy, actually, to have these tasks.
Yeah, you can steer him. Whee!
He's good. I can't believe he can do it.
Yeah.
You're just a whiz. Right out of the box.
This is like walking.
Walking with wheels.
Alright, ready? Go find mommy.
Come here, Carter. Come here. Come see Mama.
There you go. Go find mommy.
Yeah. Yeah, he's getting it.
Look at that smile.
Oops, crash.
That is